Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if you were living through a technological era akin to those depicted in science fiction movies? It's almost like we're on the cusp of a new frontier, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of this transformation in web development. The question on everyone's lips is, are you ready for what's coming next? And the answer is right here in this video. A lot has happened in the last year since we first discussed the rise of AI in web development. ChatGPT, Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and many other tools have made significant strides in their respective areas. So in this update, we'll explore some more developments, changes, and also touch upon the flip side of the coin because not everything is sunshine and rainbows. Before we start, I want to make something clear. This isn't your average "will robots take over the world" kind of video. Our goal is to find ways to use these tools to improve our work and make sure that the future of AI in web development works for us. We've witnessed the birth of AI-powered marvels in just a couple of years, from simple auto-completion suggestions to generating complex code with just a few clicks. But let's be clear, this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. So let's break it down. So let's first define our terms. When we talk about AI in web development, we're talking about using artificial intelligence to automate and improve the way we build websites and applications. Think of it as your smart assistant that can learn from your actions and preferences to help you work more efficiently. So now let's look at both sides of the equation. One side sees AI as a powerful ally that can help us do our jobs better. The other side worries about job security and the potential for AI to make our work too easy. First, let's talk about the friend side of things. Imagine having an intelligent coworker who can help you speed up your workflow and handle the more technical aspects of web development so you can focus on the bigger picture. That's essentially what AI is bringing to the table. Let me explain. One of the most exciting things about AI in web development is its ability to save us time and make us more efficient. We all know how much time we waste on the little things, like writing out the same lines of code over and over again or trying to figure out the best way to organize our files. With AI-powered tools, these tasks become a thing of the past. For example, AI can generate repetitive code for you automatically, allowing you to focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of your work. No more wasting time on mundane tasks. You can use this extra time to experiment with new ideas, learn new technologies, and grow as a developer. But wait, there's more. I can also help with debugging code, finding and fixing errors so that you don't have to spend hours on trying to figure out what went wrong. Plus, AI-powered tools can optimize your code, making it run faster and more efficiently. And let us not forget about the amazing AI-powered design tools that can help you create stunning user interfaces and experiences without having to spend a fortune on expensive design software or hire a professional designer. This means that more people can create beautiful websites and applications without having to learn how to code. Now let's take a look at the other side of the coin. It is no secret that AI is causing some major changes in the world of web development, and while it is great for some, others aren't feeling too hot about it. So let's discuss some of the concerns around AI and see how we can address them. One of the biggest fears is that AI will eventually replace web developers, leaving many people without jobs. Now here's the deal. AI is great at automating repetitive tasks, but it still needs humans to guide it. It's unlikely that AI alone can replace web developers anytime soon. However, it's possible that some tasks currently done by junior developers might get automated, which could lead to fewer entry-level positions available. Another concern is the black box problem. This means that AI-generated code can be hard to understand since we don't know exactly how it works. It's like trying to figure out why your car's check engine light turned on without being able to look under the hood. Not so helpful, right? Well, to solve this, we need to focus on developing AI systems that are transparent and explainable. That way we can trust the code they generate and make sure it works as intended. Lastly, let's talk about the homogenization of design. As AI takes over more of the design process, it's possible that we'll see less unique and more generic websites and applications popping up. After all, AI tends to follow patterns in what's popular, which could lead to a lack of creativity and originality. Now to avoid this, we need to make sure that human creativity and intuition are still valued and that AI is used to enhance, not replace, human creativity. So now that we've talked about both sides of the coin, how can we move forward in a way that benefits everyone involved? First and foremost, upskilling is key. We need to keep learning and improving our skills so that we can stay ahead of the curve and provide value in a changing world. This means learning how to work with AI-powered tools, understanding the limitations of AI, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies. It's crucial to remember that AI isn't going to replace web developers, at least not anytime soon. Instead, it's here to stay and is going to change the way we work for the better. The key is to embrace these changes and learn how to use AI to our advantage. The future of web development is hybrid, combining the power of AI with the creativity and problem-solving skills of human developers. As AI takes care of the more technical aspects of web development, developers can focus on being architects of the digital world, designing and building systems that solve real-world problems. They can also become prompt engineers, learning how to communicate with AI in a way that gets the best results.
Additionally, developers will be needed to supervise AI systems, making sure they work as intended and to keep an eye out for any potential issues or biases. Looking ahead, AI is expected to open up new frontiers in web development. One exciting area is predictive maintenance. AI can analyze data from various sources to predict when a website or application might experience downtime or other issues, allowing developers to address problems before they arise.
Another frontier is hyper-personalized user experiences. AI can tailor the user experience to each individual, making it more engaging and effective. This can include personalized recommendations, customized content, and even AI-powered chatbots that can provide support or guidance. Lastly, there's dynamic content generation. AI can generate content that changes based on user input or other factors such as the time of day or current events. This can create a more immersive and engaging user experience and can be used in a variety of applications such as gaming, e-commerce, and social media. However, as we venture into these new frontiers, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of AI in web development. Issues like bias in AI algorithms, data privacy, and accountability for AI-driven decisions need careful consideration and regulation. Developers play a crucial role in addressing these challenges and ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. By staying informed, adaptable, and proactive, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for web development. Together, we can ensure that AI complements our skills and helps us deliver exceptional results for our clients. And hey, if you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on all things web development and AI. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding.